Big, bright and bold design elements run through this countdown of the most popular bathroom makeovers from our Bathroom of the Week series in 2020. In one bathroom, a designer ditched a shower tub combo for a roomy walk-in shower with a built-in bench. In another, a bright blue double vanity enlivens a remodel for two teenage girls. See if these ideas and others might help you plan a bathroom renovation of your own in 2021. Bright and Brassy Bathroom at a glance. Who lives here? Zane and Savanna. Rodriquez and David Sitz. Savanna's brother. Location, Universal City, Texas. Size, 50 square feet, 4.7 square meters. Designers, Julie Risman and Amanda Silva. The inside story design designers Julie Risman and Amanda Silva. They also brighten the room with lots of white tile and a lighter tone with vanity. The cool gray walls, Repose Gray by Sherwin-Williams, and brushed brass fixtures provide a contemporary look with a touch of glam. See more of this bathroom. Find a bathroom designer on House 9. Budget-minded beauty bathroom at a glance. Who lives here? A young professional couple with a daughter. Location, Davidson, North Carolina. Size, 155 square feet, 14 square meters. Designer, Laura Anderson of Craft and Trade Renovations. This North Carolina couple wanted to update their master bathroom. Anderson removed the flooring, wallpaper, shower stall and built-in tub but kept the budget down by not removing any walls, moving the plumbing or otherwise changing the layout. Painting the walls gray beige, agreeable gray by Sherwin-Williams, and using porcelain 12 by 24 inch floor tiles that mimic the look of Carrara marble were two other budget-minded decisions. See more of this bathroom. Shop for Bathroom Vanity 8. Shower-powered bathroom at a glance. Who lives here? A professional couple with 3 young adult sons, one of whom is in college but lives at home part-time. Location, Plymouth, Minnesota. Size, 80 square feet, 7.4 square meters. Designer, Mary Maney of Crystal Kitchen Plus Bath. This Minnesota couple Maney removed a jetted tub and tight shower stall to gain extra square footage for a roomy shower that includes a built-in bench. She also added a longer double vanity with more storage than the previous one. The semi-custom vanity is painted white and features brushed nickel hardware and a top of seamless engineered quartz. See more of this bathroom. 7. Terrific transitional bathroom at a glance. Who uses it? This is a couple's master bathroom. Location, Chandler, Arizona. Size, 150 square feet, 14 square meters. Contractor and designer, Mike Lapine and Janet Jackson of Alliance Contracting and Cynthia Flotman of Rue Design Studio. These Arizona H. The result is a transitional space that includes a classic deep soaker tub, matte black fixtures and digitally printed porcelain tiles with a fleur-de-lis motif for the floor and shower niche. See more of this bathroom. 6. Modern drama bathroom at a glance. Who uses it? A couple. Location, Sacramento, California. Size, 55 square feet, 5 square meters. Designer, Molly Erin Carter of Molly Erin Designs. After this Sacramento, California, couple shared their bathroom inspiration photos, including house idea books. Designer. The new walnut vanity and hanging plant over the toilet are a nod to that era. To provide more contemporary notes, the designer used black hexagonal tiles for the floor and painted the ceiling black to add a sense of drama. See more of this bathroom. 5. Aging in place with style bathroom at a glance. Who lives here? A couple. Location, El Cajon, California. Size, 82 square feet, 7.6 square meters. Designer, Danielle Perkins of Danielle Interior Design Decor. This San Diego area couple hired designer Danielle Perkins to help them renovate their house. For their master bathroom, Perkins came up with strategies to accommodate the potential need for walkers, wheelchairs and a home health aid. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.